All right, guys. Anybody hungry for a taco? I'm just kidding. We are out here, though. Where's my screen at? We are out here, guys, at the Taco John's location. Our good buddy Mitch just purchased this building, actually, to put in a new restaurant right up here on the main drive here in the Quad Cities. This real estate is prime. There's thousands and thousands of cars that go by every day. Super exciting stuff. This is stuff that people dream of, you know. Opening up your own business or expanding on current businesses. Comes with a drive-through window and everything. We're gonna have to get him up here to go more over the plans for this, but it's gonna be part of a chicken franchise business that he is gonna start, and it's gonna be so super sick. Just wanted to show you guys up here. Got the Duramax out today, but he was coming up here to get some pictures of it here in a little bit. We just didn't quite meet him right in time, but man, it's gonna be epic. I just cannot wait. It's so motivating to see stuff like this come together, come to life, and yeah, permanently closed. It's a new building too. I don't know why it went out of business, especially in front of all this traffic. But anyways, their loss is our gain, and I'm super pumped about this project. Back and spending your money once again. Thank you for all the love and support on the channel. Keep liking the videos and sharing them. Also, follow along on the new Instagram account if you haven't yet. Having a lot of fun getting all the old projects uploaded on there, and then gonna continue with the new stuff as things progress. Add Ovi on Snapchat if you want to get in touch with him. But today we are at none other than Harbor Freight, baby. You already know. Wait till you see what we're grabbing now. And how about that, guys? We have the YouTuber floor jack now. At least that's what I call it, because it seems like everybody in the truck game has this floor jack. The Daytona Low Pro in the lime green color. And say what you want about Harbor Freight, but they gave us some free tie downs, which you can always use more of, just for getting the jack. So what a 2-for-1 special today. Stoked on this. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I literally did not even have a floor jack at home, because Ovi's got his shop, well, a couple shops. My dad's got a shop, and I've never needed one, but we need one for today's video. Oh, she's a little bit cold this morning, ladies and gentlemen, but we got to get these wheels on the daily driver, letting it warm up for just a minute. Woo, been a while. Then we got to switch it over to this truck and see the difference, but man, it is chilly out. Yikes. Well, good thing it doesn't leak at all, just kidding. But Tori's Jeep looks great in the garage. It does need cleaned up a little bit, but we need the new jack and the stands that I had to get to, because I didn't have those either. How embarrassing, but bear with me, guys. We're back in the garage. how crazy it looks, guys. We are getting the golf cart out for the season, but look at how good the truck looks on these wheels. I really hope that the camera does it any sort of justice because, man, oh man, this sucker looks fire. I'm in love with the look already. It makes me fall in love with the truck all over again with the HSP traction bars, the Boost Auto steps, and the 24x12s. The tires are kind of small. I do like the other TISs better, but these RVPs don't look bad at all, and plus they're more of the street tire look for the daily driver. We got to get the trailer hooked up so we can get the golf cart back home for the season. And just like that, baby, we got the low trail. Holy cow. We got the low trail hooked up. That looks so freaking good. The new trailer with the new wheel setup. Oh my gosh. This thing did good for the winter. We are going to do something about this in the spring here too, but let's get the RV tire covers off of there and let's get the golf cart on here, shall we? You guys are gonna be cracking up at the heavy hauling today. We got the golf cart, we got the wagon, and the boys' little electric side-by-side. I know, not big YouTuber stuff here. We're not the big guys out here, but it is cool to see. Also, we do got the nice new straps from Harbor Freight, the freebies, and from my dad from Christmas. Bought me some man-sized straps, so we might use those today. And you know, we ain't even gonna need Tune 5, but shout out to Greg A. Let's get this sucker home, guys. And how about an after of the race truck? What do you guys think of this look on it? Obviously, this will help bring the price down a little bit, so if one of you guys want this, please hit me up. It will be listed. I'm going to clean it up a little bit better, obviously, but for now, doesn't look too bad on the 22x10s, on the 33s. Love those TIS tires. I wish I could put those on the other wheels and keep them, but somebody's going to get a sweet deal because those are brand spanking new, and the truck is in really shape for what it is. Really in shape. Interior's not bad, exterior's got more to be desired, but it is just a ripper. That's what you're making it for, the ripping. Okay, and a couple goodies to return on the flight here, but guys, I just wanted to show you with the Boost Auto running boards on, because it's kind of an overcast day. I don't know if you can tell, but the super bright LEDs, they look so good with the wheels, with the trailer. Man, that right there, guys, it makes me fall in love with this truck again. And now the trailer is back in its resting place for now until the guys get it out for the trip here. But I just wanted to leave you guys with this for now. The whole point of the video was to show off the wheels on the truck anyway. I freaking love them. Hopefully you guys do too. Is this the look that we're gonna roll with for the long term? I don't know, we shall see. But for now, let me know in the comments what you guys like, what you want to see different in the future. But for now, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this and make sure you stick around. We have tons more exciting stuff on the way as always. God bless you all. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.